Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Idioms 271. The idiom today is on the receiving end. Okay, let's take a look at the note here. If someone is at or on the receiving end, so you could say it both ways. You could say somebody's at the receiving end or somebody's on the receiving end. He or she is the person who gets or receives something literally, like you could be receiving a package or you could be receiving a phone call. You're on the receiving end, okay? Or in a way in which something negative or harmful is directed. So you could be on the receiving end of something negative or harmful. All right, let's continue here. The first one is, literally to do with shipping something. So you could say that shipment was reported to have cleared customs, so it got through customs in perfect condition. So the damage must have occurred on the receiving end. So somewhere from clearing customs before getting to the customer, the damage must have occurred at that point, because in clearing through customs, it was reported to be in perfect condition. So it must have happened on the receiving end. Okay, because in this case, we could also say like the shipping end, meaning the other side too. All right, let's look at number 2 here, though. I work in the customer service department, so I am often on the receiving end of many customer complaints. So the customers, they have to complain to somebody. Unfortunately, that's your job. You're on the receiving end. You're the person who's receiving their complaints. And, you have to respond to them. So you're on the receiving end. So again, definitely something negative or kind of harmful. And number 3 here, the boss is in a bad mood today. Be careful what you say to him. You don't want to be on the receiving end of his anger. All right, so again, in case he gets angry, he might blow up and, direct his anger at you. So be careful what you say to him. You don't want to be on the receiving end of that. Okay, anyway, hope you got it. I hope it was clear. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.